Hello guys, how to create a drive partition in Windows 11 and Windows 10. When you buy a new laptop, there are a number of things you must do, and the one part of this is partition a drive. Most of the people just work with the C drive, the main drive, but you should create a new drive apart from C drive. And to create a drive partition, the first workaround is go to Windows search, type disk management, click on best result, and disk management windows will appear. Here you can easily see Windows C drive having full capacity of drive. Right click on it and choose shrink volume. Let the window complete the process. Here enter the amount of a space to shrink in MB. Let us assume your system having 500 GB, then you should equally distribute for 250 GB for C drive and another 250 GB for D drive. Now you can see unallocated space is 229 GB. If you want to create two more hard drive such as D and E, then you should reduce this amount and allocated amount balance will be more. And now right click on unallocated space and choose new volume. Welcome to the new simple volume wizard. Here choose the amount which you assign for drive and write a drive name, assign a drive name, and maximum value you can reduce this value. If you want one more drive, assign the drive name, and if you keep balance some amount of a space, then you can create a new drive in future. Click on next, click on file formatting option, NTFS default new volume, and press yes, and finally click on finish button. Now you can easily see Windows C and Windows D two drive your PC having, and you can see in File Explorer two types of Windows C and D. And in future, if you want one extra drive new volume, then